Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at PIT. In today's video, I'm going to talk about packaging. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is packaging, where to input and manage packaging in the PIT system, and the importance of having the option to manage packaging and additional information directly through the system. The ability to directly input and manage packaging details in a system is an essential feature for companies involved in logistics, production, sales, and related processes. Defining packaging attributes such as dimensions, weight, and alternative measure units helps ensure accurate tracking and efficient handling of materials. Configuring these details directly in the system also provides additional flexibility and precision. Setting packaging details such as dimensions and weights ensure proper storage, transportation, and handling of the materials. Additionally, defining alternative measure units allows businesses to manage materials received in bulk quantities such as pallets instead of individual pieces. This capability simplifies inventory tracking and enhances the accuracy of supply and logistics operations. For example, imagine working in a furniture manufacturing company that orders different materials. Instead of receiving them as individual pieces, they often arrive in bulk packaging, such as pallets. By inputting packaging details into the system, they can specify the pallet dimensions, weight, and the number of items per pallet. They can also define alternative measure units, making it easier for the warehouse staff to track stock accurately and for supply teams to order materials in the correct quantities. This ensures that all departments from storage to production have consistent and reliable information. Now let's see how this works in PIT. You can find and manage packaging in several domains, including assets, logistics, maintenance, production, and supply. With each domain, they are located under materials within the management section, except for assets, which has a separate icon for materials. I'm going to access them through Assets domain, selecting Materials, and lastly, the packaging icon. The page includes two filters on the left that, when chosen, represent the packaging for the material selected. If no packaging is set for the chosen entity, the middle section of the page will be empty. To set a new packaging for an item, firstly select the material type and entity on the left. Then select the blue Action button on the bottom right corner of the screen. A new form for editing the packaging opens. Material type and entity are already entered. It is necessary to add an AN code and quantity, while the other parameters are optional. Next to quantity, you can specify an alternative measure unit, for example, if the package is received on pallets and not in separate pieces. Under the weight section, additional information can be added: the net and gross weight, along with the dimensions of the packaging. For instance, the width, height, and depth of the pallet and its weight. To finalize the input of the creation of the packaging, select the Add button. You can edit already existing packaging by clicking on the blue AN code, which will open an editing form. After entering the new information, don't forget to select the Save button. And lastly, selecting the Labels button will allow you to set which labels can be printed for the selected packaging. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on packaging. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You now know what packaging is, you know where to input and manage packaging in the PIT system, and you know the importance of having an option to manage packaging and additional information directly through the system. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.